In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix Frigidaire gallery countertop ice maker not working, power, water flow and reset. Fix 1. Power and reset. First of all, you have to unplug the ice maker from the power outlet. Then you have to wait approximately 10 to 5 seconds. Then you have to plug the ice maker back in. Then you have to reset the internal control board. For some models that have a reset and test button, you just have to press and hold the button for 5 seconds to initiate the reset cycle. Fix 2. Check water supply. Ensure the unit is properly connected to the water supply. Check that the nozzle is not gained or blocked to allow ice production. Verify that the water shut-off valve is fully open. For ice maker with the water reservoir, ensure it is filled to the maximum line before starting an ice cycle. Fix 3. Confirm temperature and airflow. You have to place the countertop ice maker in a cool and well ventilated area. You have to avoid positioning the machine near the heat sources or direct sunlight. For built-in gallery unit, ensure the freezer is enough cold around 0 Fahrenheit to minus 18 degrees Celsius for optimal ice production. Fix 4. Clean the unit. Empty the reservoir and ice bin. Wipe off the interior part with a soft cloth. You have to clean around the vents and the molder area, prevent mineral buildup that can interfere with the sensor function and stop cycle. So this will help to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.